Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the data storage settings in Zangi Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you have opened it, you can see the settings or the gear icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. The next thing you want to do is click on data storage. Go ahead and click on data storage and you can see some of the functions of data storage. You can enable or disable the automatic media download via mobile data or Wi-Fi. So if you want to disable the automatic download in mobile data, you just go ahead and make it turn white. Or if you want to enable it, just go ahead and click on this button and you can see that now automatic media download will be on. But if you want to turn it off for both Wi-Fi and data, you can do that as well. And if you want to reset the auto download settings, you can just go ahead and click on it and the auto download settings will be reset. So you can see the keep media option over here. If you want to keep the media forever, just go ahead and click on forever. Or else if you want it for a certain time and you want to delete later, just go ahead and select this. Some of the options are 3 days, 1 week, 1 month and forever. So you can see the total data storage will be available here as well. You can clear the cache from here as well. I hope this video about how you can change the data storage settings on Zangi Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.